What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video, guys. And in this video, we're talking about Pacific DeFi. I gotta give you an update on how this project is doing. Guys, it's pretty insane right now, the way that this thing has pumped. Let me find it right here, guys. I brought this to you. It was around 450 or 498K. We are pretty much doubled or almost doubled in that since then in terms of market cap. Guys, they have come out with the actual staking pools. So this just launched a couple of minutes ago. I wanted to happen earlier, but I had a work meeting, so I could not. But I want to give you a quick recording here on how to get into this. So, and actually, this is me doing it live as well. So you'll see this. So in the top right, you see launch app. It's going to take us to this screen. I want to make sure that I am in liquidity pool. So at the top, I'm going to click liquidity pools. And you can see here, look at the insane. Let me refresh this. This is when I first landed, but I couldn't hop in yet. I hope it's still up there. I mean, come on. I mean, really. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna get some LP and do this, and this is what I was setting myself up for, trying to do that. So let me actually go in here, let this load. I've got my BNB, I've got my Pacific. I think I don't have enough BNB to match how much Pacific I have. However, I'm gonna go ahead and put about 13 worth of uh, uh, BNB into the Pacific. You got 168,000. Let's just wait. It's taking a while for this to do its thing. Let me make sure that this is back down. All right, by adding liquidity, you'll earn 0.17 of all trades on their proportional trade. So let me enable Pacific. That's the next step. Go ahead and confirm that, guys. And I apologize for the off the hip or from the hip video here. I don't really have much time to do much editing right now. I'm actually in the middle of a workday, so I don't want to get fired. So let me go ahead and add this liquidity. Confirm supply. Okay, not sure what's going on here. Not sure how many times I gotta click that. Let me go ahead and pause and try and figure this out. Okay, I just clicked it a couple more times. I think the pricing was changing. I did confirm it. It's going through right now. So let's see what happens. Just waiting for this to complete, guys. And the transaction has failed. All right. Let's go ahead and try that again. I think the prices are just pretty volatile right now. Again, as you know, Pacific DeFi is a very low market cap token, so the pricing is actually changes a lot. Uh, so I'm not sure what's going on. It's actually not allowing me to do this. So let me X out and try this again. I want to do 13. It should have already been enabled, but we'll do it again. I apologize, guys. Again, this is just me trying to do this off the hip, no editing at all. You can see the struggle in a day of RNG crypto here. So you will receive liquidity transaction. Let's see if it actually goes through this time. It did go through this time. Thank the Lord. All right, so now that I have my LP tokens, I'm going to come back to the actual app here. And I assume I click this down arrow. Let's see. Do I have my liquidity yet? No, it's not yet updated. So let me go ahead and pause until it's updated. All right, it was updated. I just haven't connected my wallet, so I actually need to connect my wallet and then go down here and I will deposit this to the vault. Please enter a whole number. Okay, so take off the 0.86 and deposit that to the vault. All right, going through that. And now you see it's pending deposit. Again, I'm providing liquidity into the liquidity pool. That's Pacific and BNB. Currently, the yearly APR is 127,000, which is ridiculous. 350 per day. I want to be a part of this, so that's why I'm aping into this thing. Again, guys, this is really high risk, very low market cap project. I do explain more details about what this project is in the other video. I'm going to link it in the description. Please go ahead and take a look at that. But while we wait here, I just want to make sure that you are aware that this is very high risk. But if things go well for us, there's going to be, looks like the transaction confirmed. If things go well for us, there's going to be some pretty insane gains. So now that my liquidity is in there, you can see this jumped down right away. So this is not going to last very long, guys. We have to be aware of that. The more people jump into these pools, the lower the APR and APY will become. So be aware of that. However, it looks like it's holding pretty well so far. But again, I am very, very early. They just announced this about an hour ago. So we'll see how this goes. I'll keep you guys posted. That's all I wanted to share, guys. I hope that this is helpful, guys. If it was helpful, hit the like, hit a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take it easy.